Oh my god. Oh boy, do I have a Christmas present for you, Jojo. What the? Straight for the bow. Take it easy. Did you finish your gift? Bruh. Oh my god, Jojo. That's for all your rage baiting, hard work. All the shit I put you through. Go.
This is for the dog of all dogs, for Blue. It's for you. It's for you, buddy. Open it up, too. He's fully over here. Good job, buddy. What is it, buddy? He's so excited. Yay! He's like this. I'll take this. You don't need it.
Yeah.
Cut those legs off one by one.
Oh, just for you, Chewy. Have a happy Thanksgiving. If I can get another big piece out here for you there.
Que veo que da vueltas y vueltas. ¿Qué le trajeron a Milo? ¿Qué le trajeron a Milo? Dios mío, Dios mío. A ver, pues a ver, quítate, déjame destapar lo que te trajeron. ¿Qué le trajeron a Milo?
Estamos chiquitos.
¡Wow! Está pequeño.
Hasta Mauro y yo estábamos pensando, pues su cola la va a tener en un...
Ahora se lo va a querer poseer.